Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up and this is Pluto. He's decided to join me today. I've just got in from work about 10 minutes ago and I've come home to my Fabric Obsession Sew Obsessed subscription box for February. So I thought we could open it together. I know, I'm really sorry. I know there's lots of you that really aren't interested in unboxings. I totally get it. And I totally appreciate that my last vlog from you a couple of days ago now was an unboxing of my Beyond the Pink Door subscription box. But it is what it is. And I wanted to share it with you because Adele and Becky have got a fledgling business and I really want to support them because I'm loving everything they're doing right now. So I thought we could open this together and see what you think. If you're not interested, it's absolutely fine. Switch off, go watch something else, and I'll catch up with you another time. But anyway, we've got a huge box this month. Before we open it, I need to apologise for what I'm wearing and how my hair looks today. So I've been at work, I've come home, I am shattered because I didn't sleep very well last night. This is an ongoing theme, isn't it? We talked about this a few days ago, and thank you to all of you who have reached out. You have messaged me or emailed me with suggestions, and yeah, loads of you are going through a similar thing to me. And yeah, I've had some really, really lovely suggestions. Apologies if I haven't had a chance to reply to you yet. I am in the middle of a really busy working week and lack of sleep means I've had no energy when I've come home from work the last couple of days to do anything, if I'm honest. So yeah, I was awake from 2:30 this morning until I finally gave in and got up at 6:30. So yeah, it's been tough today, let me just say that. Anyway, I've got home from work. I've put my pajamas on because it's cold. And yeah, winter is still biting hard, let me say. And I've come home, put the heating on. One of the beauties of what I've got with our heating is we've got one of those app things so that when I get in the car, I can quickly check what the temperature is in my conservatory. And if it's below a certain point, I slap the heating on. So I put the heating on and I've got like a 20-minute journey to get home. And then when I get in, the house is warm, which is really lovely, but it's still quite nippy in here. So I've been upstairs. I've put these gorgeous PJs on. They are not me made. They are bought by my gorgeous daughter. Don't I just look really glam? So she got these for me about a year ago and I do wear them every now and again. But those type of pajamas, they're like fleecy that you end up either too hot, too cold, never quite right. But anyway, I've thrown them on because I just wanted to get out of my uniform and I think I'm going to have a lovely bath later. Piper's just had his tea and yeah, Pluto's giving him the evils over there. But yeah, anyway, I'm waffling. 3 minutes in, talked a load of rubbish. Let's open the Fabric Obsession box. I am intrigued because the girls said they're a little bit nervous about this one because it's very different to last month. And I only got last month's fabric made up the other day, didn't I? So I have pre-washed my Beyond the Pink Door fabric and I have plans for that one. So we'll talk about that another time though. But here we are. I'm a little bit nervous if I'm honest, especially because we're seeing the girls this weekend. Yeah, Friday and Saturday, which is really exciting. So let's open and see what we've got inside. Ooh, ooh, I think I'm going to be obsessed. Right then, let's see what we've got in here. So we have, wow, I have never seen this stuff before. So we've got some piping cord here. Is it piping cord or is it elastic? I think it's piping cord, but it's silver. I have never, ever seen silver piping cord. Look at that. Wow. So we've got a good length of that. There must be, I don't know. It does have a bit of stretch in it, just a little bit, but I don't think it's elasticated. So we've got 50, 1 metre, 1 metre 50, 2 meters of this. Interesting. 2 meters of piping cord. What else have we got? We have some sparkle ribbed tubular ribbing. That's the word I'm looking for. So it's black lurex tubular ribbing. I have never seen that before either. I've only ever seen plain ones, and I've seen some, you know, the ones that are they've got like stripes in and hearts and things like that. I've seen those, but I've never seen this before. That's amazing. Wow. Love that. Black, which is my favourite colour, let's face it. And then we also have, I'm not going to show you the fabric yet. We've got Sweet Lounge plant-based strawberry hearts. They sound interesting. Nice. We shall try those later. If you watched my unboxing the other day and I showed you it was toasted marshmallow popcorn that I got in my Beyond the Pink Door box. Well, I snaffled those and they were lovely. Really nice. We have some pins, heart-shaped pins. Now, I know some people get quite precious about pins, don't they? And these ones that come on the wheels tend to be quite thick and not very fine. And I like a mixture, if I'm honest, because I do find with certain fabrics, the very fine pins just slip out all the time, whereas these ones tend to hold things together quite well. So I actually do quite like these for certain fabrics. So that's always handy. Thank you for that. And then, oh, you're not going to believe this. You're not going to believe this. I bet the girls don't believe it either when they've seen the Beyond the Pink Door box. But we've got another pair of socks and it's the same brand as the Beyond the Pink Door. These are incredible, girls. I love them. Sock Talk, bamboo socks, similar to the ones, well, it's the same brand, as I say, but obviously a different design. But I absolutely adore them. They're gorgeous. Thank you so much. Love, love, love. And then the fabric this month is, oh, actually, before I show you the fabric, I will show you the thread. So we have Mariflex thread in black. So can you guess what colour my fabric is? So yeah, this is the stretchy thread that you can use on jersey fabrics. If you've not used it before, it's absolutely brilliant. All you need to do is put the Mariflex in your bobbin and obviously the top thread, set your stitch length to a little bit longer. I usually do mine about 4, and then you can use it to sew jersey fabrics with a straight stitch, and it will give you enough stretch to be able to get things on and off like what I'm wearing now. So fabric wise, we have this beauty, which is gorgeous. It is a quilted jersey and it is in black. It's really nice. It feels super soft. I'm not sure how much we've got here. We've got a fair bit, to be honest. I love it. Really like it. This is absolutely perfect for me. So I reckon there is 2.5 meters, maybe 2.5 meters. The QR code for this month's box is in the lid. Oh, it actually tells me on the box what we've got. We've got 2.5 meters of viscose quilted jersey, which is 160 centimeters wide. So it's quite a wide fabric. So that's brilliant. The reason I am really, really chuffed with this is because I have been searching for a ready-to-wear jumper, just a black one, because I've got one upstairs, but I've shrunk it in the wash. And I wanted one, I needed a new one basically. And I've looked on Vinted, but all the ones on Vinted that people are sort of selling secondhand seem to be really, really bobbly and, you know, very sort of well worn. I've not seen anything that looks in fairly great condition. And I've ordered a couple of new ones, but then when they've come, they've not been quite right. So I don't actually have any black sweatshirting in my stash to make one. So this is going to be absolutely perfect. Girls, you couldn't have picked a better thing for me right now. I mean, I know some people want all the brights and the pretty things and stuff, but for staples, I just think this kind of stuff is brilliant. So for me, it's an absolute win, and I am absolutely so obsessed. So thank you so much. What I'm going to do now is I am going to scan the QR code, and then I'm going to come back to you and chat a little bit about what is in the magazine this month. If you are part of the Sew Obsessed subscription, or if you've joined the Sew Obsessed club, because they do have a standalone club that you can join that's $4.99 a month, I think. But if you are part of the subscription Sew Obsessed, then you get access to the club. free of charge or as part of your subscription. So I think they've got their first virtual sew along, which is tomorrow night actually. So hopefully I won't be too tired and I might be able to take part in that. So we'll see anyway, but I'm going to just quickly scan the QR code now and have a look and see what we've got. Right, I've got my specs on now so I can see. So I am going to put the ebook video up here so that you can have a look, but this month it is the Let Self-Love Shine box. So this month is about self-love, basically. It's the month of love, isn't it? February. So they talk a little bit about the quilted fabric and why they've chosen quilted fabric this month. Obviously I've got the cool toned box because I'm a cool toned person, I guess. So my box is silver based and the warm tones get gold based when it comes to the metallic accents. You get 2.5 meters of quilted viscose jersey, 2 meters of metallic piping, 1/2 meter of metallic cuffing, and the haberdashery, the Love Hearts treat, and the cozy socks as well in Fabric Obsession colours, which is just great. So next the girls talk a little bit more about each colourway and styling tips as well on how to style your selection. There's options as well for ideas on what to do with your fabric. What I really love actually is they talk about bomber jackets as well, which I'd not even thought of that, and the thought of this being made into a bomber jacket really appeals actually, so I might look at that. How to accessorize as well based on your colour scheme, which is really lovely. So lots and lots of inspiration there. Just like last month, Becky and Adele have both made something with their colourways. I think Becky's made the Lennox sweatshirt and Adele has made something by Maison Forme, the Ressac sweater, and they've shown you how they've used the piping accent, which is just brilliant. It's really, really good. I love it. And some ideas for patterns that will work with your fabric as well. And then yours truly is in, which is just lovely. It was lovely to see my face pop up there. So yes, they have highlighted makers that have made garments with last month's fabric, and I'm in there because I made the Jen jumpsuit by Sew Dressmaking, and Tamlin's in there as well, which is just really lovely. And then what is just so lovely is they have chosen this month's star maker, which is the lovely Jenny, who has made an absolutely beautiful top and won herself a £15 gift voucher. So well done, Jenny. That's brilliant. Really, really, really lovely. So yeah, then there is a link to a tutorial. So clicking on that link, as you'll have probably seen in the clip that I've inserted, takes you to a little tutorial that Becky has done to show you how to insert piping into your garments, which is really, really good. And then a little teaser about next month as well, which says next month's fabric walks softly in Adele's favourite shade, but its footsteps are never quiet. Intriguing. So yeah, what do you think then? Are you so obsessed or are you not fussed? I am pretty obsessed with it actually. I think this month is perfect for me. Really, really love it. Initially I was thinking jumper, which is what I'd said at the beginning of the vlog, but then now having seen some of those little bits of inspiration in the ebook, I'm actually wondering about a bomber jacket. I really like that idea. So that's something for me to ponder, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed having a quick look at this month's Sew Obsessed subscription. I will leave a link to the Sew Obsessed subscription down below if you are interested. And hopefully I will be back with you with more sewing content that's not just subscription box openings very soon. So take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye.